This is our review of the Hoover Dynamic Next washing machine. It's an 8 kg washing machine, so it's quite big. We're a medium size family. We've got 2 kids. One of them's in washable nappies, and it's got a really big door and a very large drum, which makes it really easy to get everything in and out, and it can more than handle what we throw at it. When we first got the washing machine, we were a bit overwhelmed by how many programs there are on the dial. It seemed like quite a lot, but once I've ran through the manual and read it through, I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these different functions. So for example, I think the ones that I'll use the most are the daily 59-minute one, which is good for just your average daily wash. But also you can have separate ones for dark colours and also one for like a hot white cotton wash. But there's separate ones for delicates, wool, hand and silk. And it's quite good to have one that's good for mixed, so colours and whites together. I think that the ones that I'll use the most are the daily 59-minute one. The shirt steam function we really quite like the idea of, although we haven't tried it yet. And then the hot cotton wash will come in handy. So when you put on a wash, I'm just going to do the daily 59-minute one now. It comes up here on the digital screen with the sort of standard settings for that program. So it's come up for 60 degrees. But if I want to change that, all I have to do is press that button and it'll change it down to 40 degrees or even 30 degrees. So that's quite good if you don't want to wash as hot as it's set as. The other thing that we really like about this washing machine is that it tells you the time left in the wash. So when you're halfway through the wash, you can come and see how many minutes are left, so that's quite useful. So if I just start that off now, it'll start going. So overall, we're really happy with the washing machine. It's got everything and more than we need. A couple of very small negatives. The powder tray seems a little bit plasticky, and the top seems a little bit maybe not so robust as it could be. But overall, really happy with it. We've done a few washes and it's come out really good.